Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming which RPM meter you have inductive pickup or electronic tach input, because the connection method changes. Once done, disconnect the battery negative to prevent shorts and position the bike on a stable stand. This protects you and the electronics. Next, make sure to find the ignition coil high tension or the ECU tach output wire using the motorcycle wiring diagram. You need a clear signal source. Do this now so the next steps connect correctly and safely. You now attach the meter. For an inductive pickup, clamp around the spark plug wire near the boot. Proximity matters for a clean pulse. For an electronic input, tap the ECU tach wire with an insulated splice or use the meter's specified signal lead and ground. Then, connect switched plus 12V to the meter's power terminal so it only receives power with the ignition. As you work, route and secure wires away from exhaust and moving parts to avoid noise and damage. You finish by starting the engine briefly to verify the meter reads smoothly. Watch needle lag or jitter as clues. Once confirmed, adjust the meter's scaling or dip switch calibration so displayed RPM matches expected idle and rev ranges. This ensures accurate readings under load. If the display is erratic, make sure the ground is solid, reposition the pickup away from other ignition leads, and check for interference from accessories. One key tip: a floating ground or loose clamp is the most common fault, so recheck those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.